guys, for today's videos guys, magluto tayo ng sayuti with ground pork. Itong ground guys, ano na to, luto na to, pinakuluan ko. Kasi naka-frozen. Igigisa na lang sa sayuti. Ayan. Remove sayuti. So, ayan na guys, luto na ang ating sauté chayote with turkey. Ayan, mabilis lang lutuin. Ayan, kakain si Lok niya ng sayote, kaya nilutuan ko ng sayote. Thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Bye. What did you eat?
Coyote.
It's not coyote.
No, it's a coyote.
Sayote.
Coyote.
Chayote.
Coyote.
Yeah, like right. Chayote.
Coyote.
Yeah, it's chayote. It's not coyote.
Coyote.
Oh, egg rice, B. Use your spoon. Wow, very good. Good job.